Aloha mai nei kako o Tracie Mililani ke ia. Nah, just kidding. This is Rapunzel. She's going to help me with today's vikio. As always, like and subscribe, and let's get started. 7 Hawaiian location words for you to know, also known as locatives. On top, iluna, 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 iluna. Underneath or on the bottom, LALO, 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 LALO. Inside, LOKO, 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 LOKO. Outside, WAHO, 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 WAHO. In front, imua, 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 imua. Behind, ihope, 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 ihope. In the middle or in between, iwaina, 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 iwaina. And your tip for today is think outside the box, or think WAHO of the cup. If you want to learn more Hawaiian, you can visit my courses at courses.traciekeolalani.com. And until next time, ahui ho.